Okay. This is how you drink a little baby beer. You pump it up very quietly. Very quietly. Then you hold it like this, like this, like this. And then you do this. You ready?
You gotta punch the knife in the top.
Oh, shit.
Come on, let's do it.
Oh,
Turn it
it's
up,
a
turn it
big
up.
knife.
No, turn it up.
Turn it up.
You gotta turn it up first.
Oh, no.
Turn it up, come
Oh,
on.
fuck. Alright, you ready? Alright,
Yeah.
right. Oh, just, you're not gonna stab me, are you?
No, let him punch the top before you do that.
But then it'll go everywhere.
Ding dong.
You gotta turn it straight up. Fail.
You messed up my stunt.
I'm sorry.
Okay, we're good. That's how you drink a baby beer.
Let me show y'all what time it is. Take my water glasses off.
Wow, that was like messier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, you had to get on my throat.
Your turn, Adrian.
Do it, Adrian.
Okay. Just like you do it.
Oh, yeah, do it right, do it right.
Oh, with my nose. Never mind.
He wins. He used more than one opening.
Yeah, I was trying to be cool about it.
I always go for second place. Keep it cool. Be smart, kids.